All right, today I'm going to take a look at the original thread checker. This is the big pack, so it can do extra large size bolts and even smaller bolts than the ones that you can normally get with a normal size thread checker. So this has the largest collection of threads for a thread checker. And as you can see, it comes in 2 packs. So we got metric on one, and we got standard on the other. This is something I've been wanting for quite some time, just because I keep on running the bolts that are a little bit too big for a normal thread checker like this, or even too small, and I wanted to have a more complete set. So this is the one that you want to get if you want to have everything. Where most thread checkers stop at an M4, this actually goes to an M3. The length of this guy, like this is the length of most thread checkers, and they have both metric and standard. So this goes up to an M24, almost a 1 inch, 3.0. Then our full set just for standard. And you can see it's colored in red there, so it's easy to read. And that starts out as a number 6, which is perfectly fine. That's normal. Most of these thread checkers start out as a number 6, but it goes all the way up to a 1 inch, 8 threads per inch. So quite an impressive selection of threads. So if I got a bolt like this, and the nice thing about having both standard and metric is you can actually check it, because this one, if I remember right, will thread into an M10 1.0. Right? So without a thread checker, you'd probably say that's the correct bolt, but it's actually not. If we loosen that up a little bit, it's got a little bit of wiggle. What this actually is a 3/8 24. So that's where these things can really come in handy, because there's a lot of people that can tell you like what a metric is or what a standard is, but they can't tell you both. And I don't really think anybody can, because these bolts on at least a few of these threads are so darn close that you just can't tell. And then to check for nuts, we just use the male side of the thread checker. There we go. So that is 5/16 18. So if you got a shop, these things are a must-have. So overall, that is a very complete thread checking set.